Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll be exploring beautiful garden trellis ideas for 2024. Whether you're looking to add some vertical greenery, create a charming focal point, or elevate your outdoor space with elegant designs, these trellis ideas are sure to inspire. From modern metal frames to classic wooden styles, we have a variety of options to suit any garden. Stay tuned as we take you through the latest trends and design tips to help you transform your garden into a beautiful sanctuary. Let's get started. Are you looking to add depth and character to your garden while maximizing space? Trellises are a fantastic solution. These versatile structures not only serve as stunning focal points, but also provide support for climbing plants, allowing you to create a lush vertical garden that draws the eye upward. Whether you have a small balcony, a cozy backyard, or a sprawling estate, trellises can transform your outdoor space into a vibrant haven. From charming wooden designs to modern metal constructions, trellises come in various styles to suit any aesthetic. They can be used to define spaces, create privacy, or add height to your garden, making them both functional and beautiful. Imagine vibrant vines cascading over a trellis, bursting with color and fragrance, or a rustic wooden frame adorned with seasonal blooms. Trellises are a garden staple that offer both aesthetic and practical benefits, from supporting climbing plants to enhancing privacy and structure. They can transform your outdoor space into a vibrant, functional haven. However, to fully appreciate their benefits, understanding their usefulness and how to care for them is crucial. Here's a comprehensive guide on making the most of your trellis and keeping it in top shape. 1. Support for climbing plants. One of the primary functions of a trellis is to support climbing plants by providing a structure for vines and creepers to latch onto. Trellises help plants grow upward, maximizing space and creating vertical interest in your garden. Elegant and fragrant climbing roses thrive on trellises. Known for its stunning blooms, claws can be trained to climb and spread, ideal for creating a green screen or privacy wall. Hops grow vigorously on trellises. 2. Space optimization. Trellises are perfect for gardens with limited space by encouraging vertical growth. They allow you to grow more plants in a smaller footprint. This is especially beneficial for urban gardens or smaller yards where ground space is at a premium. Use trellises to grow vegetables like tomatoes, cucumbers, and peas. Incorporate trellises into container gardens to maximize space and yield. 3. Privacy and screening. Trellises can as effective privacy screens or garden dividers. By growing DSE climbing plants on a trellis, you can create natural barriers that offer seclusion and block unwanted views. Train fast-growing vines like morning glory or ivy to cover the trellis. Quickly combine trellises with fabric panels or additional green for enhanced privacy. For aesthetic enhancement beyond their functional uses, trellises can significantly enhance the visual appeal of your garden. They add structure and can serve as a backdrop for other garden elements. Choose trellises that complement your garden style, whether rustic, modern, or classic. Use decorative trellises to frame garden entrances or highlight garden features. Caring for your trellis to ensure your trellis remains functional and visually appealing. Regular maintenance is essential. Regularly check for signs of wear and tear, such as rust on metal trellises or rot on wooden ones. Remove dirt, debris, and mildew from the trellis. For metal trellises, a simple wash with soap and water will suffice. Wooden trellises might need occasional sanding and sealing. Wooden trellises are prone to rot and pests if not properly maintained. Here's how to extend their lifespan. Care tips: apply a weatherproof sealant or wood preservative to protect Against moisture and insects, regularly inspect for signs of termites or other pests. Treat with appropriate pest control solutions if needed. Metal trellises can rust over time, especially if exposed to harsh weather. Conditions to keep them in good shape: apply a rust-resistant paint or coating to prevent corrosion. Check for any signs of rust or damage and sand down any rust spots before repainting. As plants grow, they can sometimes become too heavy for the trellis or require additional support. Ensure that the trellis can handle the weight of the plants it supports. Regularly tie plants. Use garden ties or twine to secure plants to the trellis, guiding their growth and preventing them from becoming unruly. Prune is needed. Regularly prune climbing plants to encourage healthy growth and prevent overcrowding. Trellises are incredibly versatile tools in any gardener's arsenal, offering support for climbing plants, optimizing space, providing privacy, and enhancing aesthetic appeal. By understanding their usefulness and committing to regular care and maintenance, you can ensure that your trellis remains a beautiful and functional part of your garden for years to come. Embrace the potential of trellises and let them elevate your outdoor space to new heights. Happy gardening! Thank you for watching our video on Beautiful Garden Trellis Ideas for 2024. We hope these designs have sparked your creativity and inspired you to enhance your outdoor space. Whether you're adding a trellis for climbing plants, creating a cozy garden nook, or adding structure to your landscape, there are endless possibilities. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more garden design tips and trends. We'd love to hear which trellis idea was your favorite in the comments below. See you in the next video.